Hello traders, today is the 21st of March 2010 and I would like to do a video about how to prepare for day trading like professional traders. The beginning, the first action that you must take. What's the first thing you must consider when day trading? I hope you enjoyed my previous video and also you learned something from it, because my intention is to help those who are struggling every day, losing a lot of money, willing to learn, willing to earn extra money. But if you're going to make it, your first intention will be, I want to be a professional trader. Do not plan. Your first goal should not be like, I want to make a lot of money, I want to be rich, I want to be millionaire. No. If you start with that aim, you will lose. Your aim, your goal, your first intention is to be the best professional trader. If you become the best professional trader, you will make as much money as you can. So that should be your aim. That's why my intention is to draw the attention of most people who are struggling, losing a lot of money every day, or some of the experienced traders that get fed up or quit completely trading, those who are tired, people got family, and even their friends are discouraging them. If you are losing money, stop, go back again, learn the rope as they speak, learn the rope again. Start from the beginning, do your ABC again, step by step. If you are using a $1,000 accounts and you are losing, cut it down to $100. Cut it down to $100. Sometimes if you are losing, you can even cut your account to $50, okay? And then you give yourself a target, say, I will turn this $50 to $100, okay? If you do that consistently, then you know that you regain your ability to win again. So you start clearing clearly, you have your rules, and you start again. Don't just keep putting money in because you have a lot of money, or you're using your savings, or you're using your salary, or whatever. Go back again, because your main intention is to be a professional trader, not to make money, not to be rich. The ability is the key. Once you are something, you can have. To be is more important than to have. I hope this makes sense to you. Sorry about the talking, the nonsense. I mean, if it's true for you, it's no nonsense. Here on this chart, I have here the preparation for day trading. This is what I call the cheat sheet. To cheat, to cheat, not in the proper sense of the word. To cheat is not nice to cheat, but that's the way they call it, cheat sheet. So here I have here the name, okay, and then I have the weekly pivot level, R1, R2, S1, S2 pivot, the central pivot, and then I have the monthly pivot levels here, R2, R1, S1, S2, and so on. And then now I have the chart itself, the weekly resistance. Like I say in my previous video, I use a 5 days weekly chart. So I have here my 5 days weekly chart resistance level. This is where I am now, where my cursor is. This is the most important level that I look, compared to the pivot, the mathematical pivot, weekly mathematical pivot, monthly mathematical pivot level. The weekly resistance and the weekly support level are my key levels. That's what I'm looking for than anything else. Then I have also the monthly resistance level. Then you have here also the monthly support level. Then also I have here the daily chart resistance levels, because I know that some people also use a daily chart to levels to trade, because we want to spy on what the other traders are doing and go into their mind. That's why the psychology comes on what other traders are doing. It's not only you, because a lot of people are moving the market at different levels, so we want to know what they are doing. So because it's like a war game, you know, the bull against the bear, but nobody's against anybody. We all want to achieve our aim. If your intention is to destroy the bear or destroy the bull, you are wasting your time. I know some traders, they never short anything or sell before. They will always look for opportunity to buy. Even if it's obvious to sell, they will justify it to buy, you know. Don't do that. You know, it's not one direction market. You can buy, you can sell. Can you imagine you go to a market, everybody is a seller? Who is going to buy? Or you go to a market and everybody is buying, everybody's a buyers. You go to a market here, a marketplace, and everybody is a buyers. So who is going to sell then? You know, I know the American people like too much to buy. They like to buy. They like to buy. You know, and also, I mean, the British like to sell, but the British are more balanced. You know, the British will sell when they need to sell, and they will buy when they want to sell. The Australians also like to sell a lot. You know, you have to study the psychology of the market and know exactly what other traders are doing. When American market is open and New York is opening, and I'm looking on my chart, I'm looking more, if the market is moving up, I'm more excited about it, you know. But if the market is moving down, I'm very careful because I know that the American market, they are bullish market. They like to buy. They like to move the market to the outside. During the London section, I know that the British, they don't care. If they're going to sell, they will sell. If they're going to buy, they will buy, you know. So you have to study the market. That's why when you come into the London market in the morning, you know, 3 a.m. Eastern time, after 2 or 3 hours, get out because the American people start getting up, you know. And then sometimes you have a nice opportunity to sell, and you will see the public, the American public, you know. I'm not talking about American professional. The American public will be busy buying, especially the future people. They will start be busy buying. That's why you have to be out. But the professional traders, they don't care. They will sell, they will buy at the right time, at the right place. You know, I'm not talking about the profession. They will sell, they will buy at the right time. So studying the thing, have your cheat sheet like I have here. It's up to you. You just go to the Microsoft Notepad. This is Microsoft Notepad that I'm using here. Microsoft Notepad here. And you just go to the file, you know, you go to file like this here, right here, and then you click on new. And then you put your things: weekly resistance, weekly support, monthly resistance, monthly support, daily resistance, daily support. Then I also have at the bottom here the weekly high. You know, I want to know the range of last week, the previous week that is closed down. Today is Sunday, so I'm saying, okay, last weekly high, I mark it down. Weekly low, I mark it here. And the weekly, the median line, which is high plus low divided by 2. I have it here because I want to divide the level, the range into the upper level is the bull session and the lower level is the bear session. And also I do the same thing for the month. If a new month is starting, you put the monthly high here, the monthly low, and then the monthly median line, which is the high plus low divided by 2, in order to know which position you are in, whether you're in the bear session or you're in the bull session. So this is my cheat sheet here that I have on the chart. And it's very simple. You put the name here. So if you are trading the Euro USD, you just put a Euro USD and then you have it marked there, okay? If you are trading stock, Google, you just put GOOG or whatever, Apple or Intel or GE, you put the name here. If you are trading option, a bond, whatever, you just put the name of what you want to track here. And this is just easy. This is Microsoft Notepad, and you have it here. So when you are working like this, you know, you can have it. I mean, minimize it. You know, I can minimize it like this, and then you are trading, and then you just click on it like this, and then you come back again and you check. You say, okay, now we are approaching this level now, and then you start watching carefully the reaction of the price on that level. I hope you enjoyed this small video. Until next time, enjoy yourself.